For tonight I understand your royal blood was never meant to decorate this sand. You've suffered great injustice, so have thousands before you. I offer an apology and one long overdue.